Welcome back to the Babalian Money Show, your favorite place to talk all things money. Today, we're diving into a hot topic that everyone's curious about: cryptocurrency. How do you actually make money with it? Stick around, because we're going to break it down into simple, actionable strategies. First, a quick and important disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, and this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. The crypto market is volatile, and you should always do your own research and never invest more than you're willing to lose. Now, let's get into the good stuff. The most common way people try to make money in crypto is through buying and holding, often called HODLing. It's a funny term that basically means holding on for dear life. The idea is simple. You buy a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ethereum. You believe in its long-term potential, and you hold it for months or even years, hoping its value will increase significantly over time. Think of it like buying a stock in a company you believe will grow. The key here is patience and conviction in your chosen project. You're not trying to time the market. You're betting on the future. This strategy requires a strong stomach because you'll see a lot of ups and downs. One day your portfolio might be up 20%, and the next it could be down 15%. That's just the nature of the crypto beast. The successful holders are the ones who don't panic sell during the dips. They've done their research, they believe in the technology, and they're playing the long game. Now, if holding isn't your style and you're more of an active participant, you might be interested in trading. This is a much more hands-on approach. Crypto traders aim to profit from short-term price movements. They might buy a coin in the morning and sell it in the afternoon for a small profit. This is called day trading. Or they might hold it for a few days or weeks, which is known as swing trading. Trading requires a different skill set. You need to understand technical analysis, which means reading charts, identifying patterns, and using indicators to predict where the price might go next. It's a lot more demanding than just holding. You need to be disciplined, manage your risk carefully by using tools like stop-loss orders, and control your emotions. FOMO, or the fear of missing out, and feed, which is fear, uncertainty, and doubt, are a trader's worst enemies. Successful traders have a clear strategy and stick to it. It's definitely not for everyone, and it carries a higher risk, but for some, the potential rewards are worth it. So we've covered holding and trading, but what if I told you there's a way to earn crypto without even buying it? Let's talk about earning passive income. One of the most popular methods for this is staking. Think of staking like earning interest in a high-yield savings account. Certain cryptocurrencies use a system called proof of stake to secure their network. By holding and staking your coins, you're helping to validate transactions and keep the network running. In return for your service, the network rewards you with more coins. It's a fantastic way to make your crypto work for you. You're not only holding an asset that could appreciate in value, but you're also earning more of that asset over time. It's like a double win. Many popular exchanges and wallets make staking super easy, often just a few clicks. Another exciting way to earn passive income is through yield farming or liquidity providing. This sounds complicated, but let's break it down. In decentralized finance, or DeFi, platforms need liquidity pools of crypto so people can trade different tokens. You can lend your crypto to these pools, becoming a liquidity provider. In exchange for providing this service, you earn fees from the trades that happen in that pool, and sometimes you even get extra reward tokens. Yield farming is like taking that concept to the next level, constantly moving your crypto around to different DeFi platforms to find the highest possible returns or yield. It can be very profitable, but it's also more complex and carries its own risks, like smart contract bugs or something called impermanent loss. It's definitely a more advanced strategy, so if you're a beginner, I'd suggest starting with staking and learning more before you jump into the deep end of the DeFi pool. Let us move on to another method that requires skill and effort: participating in airdrops and bounty programs. An airdrop is when a new crypto project gives away free tokens to build a community and generate buzz. Sometimes, all you have to do is hold a specific cryptocurrency in your wallet to be eligible. Other times, you might need to complete simple tasks, like joining their social media channels or testing their new platform. It's like a free lottery ticket. You might get a few dollars worth of tokens, or you could get lucky and receive an airdrop that becomes incredibly valuable over time. Bounty programs are similar. Projects will reward you with tokens for completing specific tasks that help them, like finding bugs in their code, translating their documents, creating content like articles or videos, or managing their community forums. If you have skills in marketing, writing, or software development, this can be a great way to earn crypto without any initial investment. It's all about trading your time and talent for tokens. Another fascinating area is NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. While many people think of NFTs as just digital art, the ways to make money with them are expanding. The most straightforward method is flipping. You buy an NFT at a low price, maybe during its initial launch, called a mint, and sell it for a higher price on a secondary marketplace. This requires a good eye for projects with potential, understanding what makes a collection valuable, and a bit of luck. But it goes beyond just flipping. Some NFT projects are building entire ecosystems. By holding their NFT, you might get access to exclusive communities, airdrops of new tokens, or even a share of the project's revenue. We're also seeing the rise of NFT gaming, often called play to earn. In these games, the items you earn, like characters, weapons, or land, are NFTs that you truly own. You can then sell these items to other players for real money. It's a complete shift from traditional gaming, where you spend money but never own anything. Now, your time spent playing can actually become a source of income. So let's do a quick recap. We have long-term holding, or HODling, for the patient investor. We have active trading for those who want to capitalize on short-term price movements. We have passive income strategies like staking and yield farming to make your crypto work for you. And we have earning methods like airdrops, bounties, and NFTs that allow you to get into the space with little to no initial capital. The most important thing to remember is that there's no single best way. The right strategy for you depends on your financial goals, your risk tolerance, and how much time and effort you're willing to commit. Many people use a combination of these strategies. They might have a core holding of Bitcoin and Ethereum, stake some of their other coins for passive income, and maybe dabble a little in NFT flipping on the side. The key to success in crypto, no matter which path you choose, is education. The space is constantly changing, so you have to stay curious and keep learning. Read project white papers, follow smart people on social media, listen to podcasts, and watch videos like this one. Don't just follow hype, understand what you're investing in. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Babalian Money Show. I hope this gave you a clear overview of the different ways you can potentially make money with cryptocurrency. It's an exciting and revolutionary technology, and we've only just scratched the surface. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about managing your money and exploring new financial frontiers, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you won't miss our next episode. Drop a comment below and let me know which of these methods you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.